So the first thing you got to do, of course, is sign into your Rakuten account like you see I am here. And then you go and click on your name, and then you go to my account. Okay? Once you get here, then you want to go down to account settings. And then in this spot here, you will see that I have it linked up to my PayPal account. How would you like to get paid? I have it linked up to my PayPal. If yours says one of these other two options, then you need to go ahead and click on this so that way you can get your PayPal account set up with Rakuten. And of course, if you don't have a PayPal account, the first thing you're gonna have to do is set up one of those, which this video I'm not gonna show you how to do that, but I'm assuming you already have a PayPal account and you wanna connect it to Rakuten. And so this is all you need to do. It's really that simple. You can also change your PayPal account. You know, if I change it here, it'll take me to PayPal, and you don't want me to sign in and all that. I'm not going to do that, but this is basically it. They also have a third option, which they never used to have with American Express. You can also switch to membership rewards points, which is different. I didn't even know that until recently. So if you want to do that instead, feel free to do that. But this is how you set up your Rakuten account to get paid with PayPal, and then you will get that big fat check in your PayPal account every quarter when they pay out 4 times per year. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to drop it a like, and be sure to watch more of my videos right over here. I'm sure you will find those helpful, and it helps my channel grow, and I will see you guys over there.